Join me, please. Let's take a breath together. This bowl that I'm using this morning is a divine mother bowl. And as you begin to hear and feel the vibrations of this bowl, I invite you to allow your eyes to close if that's comfortable for you. This bowl brings the higher vibrations of the oneness about which we just sang. We are one in the light of God, in the love of God. We are one. And as you feel these vibrations, let yourself listen and feel with your entire being, your whole physical form, taking in these vibrations and allowing them to assist you in raising your vibrational frequency level to the highest level, which is unconditional, divine love. And as the vibrations of the bowl become quieter, let your mind begin to become quieter. And yet also allow and embrace whatever is. I allow whatever is to be. I allow myself to become large enough in consciousness, expansive enough to embrace it all. So much is happening in the outer world, in our inner worlds. Inviting you to take another breath and release. 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 I release into the place of knowing. I release into the place of remembering who and what I am. And so as I play the bowl now for just a moment, let yourself dwell in this place of remembering. Remembering the I am, the essence, the divine love that is who you are. Divine Spirit, guide us as we come home to the truth of our being. Guide us. for this and so much more. We are grateful. And so it is.